2019 Lexus. Change the rotor, right and left. I make sure you how you put right and left. You see this inside, this have cut like fan. This flip go this side, and this one coming this side, this go wrong. This rotor and check other one. What different? This one for this way, this side go this way. This rotor, my hand, old one, this half left driver side. I put this L here. This for driver side. Okay. I leave it there. This is driver side, this is for right side. How sand? This for right. No, put like this, sorry. This is for right. Okay, this one for left. You know, I put this one like direction right side. Now I put this direction left side. This side outside, the tire side, lug nut side. And this one for start side. But this way for right way. This way for right way. And you put this rotor right side for traction coming this way. This is for wrong. Please check it to fix it. I don't know, somebody understand, you know, but this for right rotor direction. And subscribe to my channel.